Hi, welcome to Cooking Hearty Food Recipes with Yasmin channel. Today we going to making rice carrot dessert. We can call Gajrela and rice pudding yummy dessert with the tip, trick and easy in quick way with less ingredients. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much. Keep watching. If you already subscriber, so thank you so much watching again. If you new, please thumbs up, subscribe and share with your family friend. Keep this recipe watching with the step by step. Keep watching. Bye. We need for rice pudding large pot because it's coming to make easy for us. So we need one that I'm adding. This is 2 borrow 1 gallon milk, whole milk inside 2 gallons because I'm making large. Full high gas. We have to boil them first, the milk. The next step has to be cover up faster boiling the milk. You guys see over here, milk is good boiled to come. Next I'm adding inside the green cardamom, is like almost 12 pieces for the good aroma and good taste. So next I'll show you guys. The next I'm telling, this is the rice. Some people using for the broken rice and some like old rice, but I'm using the professional, the good rice, which one I'm using in home. I get 1 cup and soak them 1 hour. So I drain the water. The next one is just drain the water. I am drain the water. So what I do next? Now look like this. You have to broke like this. So always the rice pudding is have to like this rice. Because I don't need the special rice for the rice pudding. We have to do this. Nothing is different. It's the same quality, same taste, everything. You have to break, then I show you guys. You can see this position rice. You have to make all rice like this, break. Now this rice, all the rice are adding inside the milk. All the rice are putting inside over here, milk. Now the flame is medium to high, slow to medium, no high, because before I do the high we have to boil the rice. So right now the milk rice I'm just putting add right now. So no, slow to medium we have to do it. Just I'm adding the green cardamom and the milk and the rice. After 10 minutes, next what I'm adding, then I show you guys. So mix well. After 10 minutes I show you guys what we have to do next. After 10 minutes I'm adding inside the sugar. This is depend how much you need sweet, because I'm not adding too much because we making healthy, we know making unhealthy. So this is almost 1 cup sugar I'm adding inside because I make a lot. You see that these things on coming on up, it's burned down, so that's why we have to adding sugar right now, so then it's not stuck it down. And I have this carrot, is 1 kg carrot. I crush it, so I'm adding this one inside. So I'm adding the carrot and the sugar, milk and the green cardamom and the rice. So we have to cook them till to like 45 minutes something, some making like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, because I have to make it very yummy. So what is the important thing? You have to do that. Stir the milk every 5 minutes so it is doesn't not stuck to the pot, because we don't need that. If you see in the by chance is happen something like this, to change the pot, because this small pot maybe it's happened like this, so then I have to change the pot because we don't need the stuck things in there. So please, I want to request that every 5 minutes you have to stir the milk. So after 45 minutes I will show you guys the next what we have to do it. Whatever I put in, we have to just make in this way is slow to medium gas, So what I'm telling you guys, every 5 minutes. Yes. So let's see after 45 minutes what situation look like this right now. So look at that, is an on point, almost 50 minutes to cook. Yes, 50 minutes. Now look the result. You see the point when I'm close the, I'm starting, you see the point. So how you know to is ready or not? We need one plate. 1 second. We need one plate, and we have to add the little bit inside of here. If we let them cold, and after 5 minutes, then I'll show you guys how you see the actually result is done yet or not. And before I show that, I want to telling you guys I'm adding this raisin, golden raisin, and some almond inside. I do the peel off this like this, and I warm inside the warm water. I leave them inside. Very easy way to open like this, because I make the video with one hand, so that's why it's a little bit hard for me, but it's really easy. Look like this. So I'm adding that one inside. I do the all almond putting inside. Look this. I'm adding inside. We have to just make in the 5 minutes, because we're waiting for the which one I am putting inside a plate. So we have to know it's done or not. Look this, delicious and yummy aroma, and really good. And it's not doing the thing in the down. You see it. Look the color. Wow, yummy. This point, if you want to check if you need more sweet, you can use adding more sweet. If you need more more yummy and delicious, you can adding in the dry milk powder 1 to 2 teaspoon. That more delicious. So let them cold in 5 minutes, then I show you guys actually is done in that. After 5 minutes I show you guys. After 5 minutes you can look the around. It means it's not moving. It means it's done. Because when it's hot, you cannot imagine it. Look that. This means it's done. You have to check like this. This is tip from me to you guys. You have to check like this. Look, this means it's done. Because when it's hot, it not look like that. Because this sweet dish we eating cold like an ice cream. So how I made it, you make it seem like that. You can save in the fridge 10 to 15 days, and you take it out after dinner, after lunch, when dessert time. You need a dessert, no chemical inside, just fresh and organic you can eat in home. So now I'm close the fire and leave them half cold. After half cold, I'm putting inside over here, because my husband taking his tomorrow to his office. Is Thanksgiving party over here in USA. So they have party. So I'm making some chicken wrap from there here too. If you need this recipe, you comment below down this video. I can make this chicken wrap recipe in English for you guys. So when you have done cold, then I transfer to here. Maybe I show you guys. So let them, because it's night, almost 11 o'clock. So this one I make it right now, because I need the cold this one, because this recipe, this result we have to eat cold. So I hope you guys like it. So I meet you when it's cold. Okay, bye. Looking this here is almost is half cold now. So I transfer inside the over here in the dish. Inside over here, and I'm telling you guys, because this one I have to go the party, so I have some almond and some raisins, so I put on a decoration, and I have some of the green cardamom powder. It's a good aroma, so I'm using on the decoration. And the next part you can see in the starting, because I'm stop the video over here of and I'm telling you guys I make a chicken wrap with chicken over here, and some of the this is a vegetable over here, and I have the avocado, spinach, and this the special part of that. If you want to see this recipe, comment down. This is rice and carrot result recipe. Comment down that I can make this recipe in English for you guys of my channel. This one. So I finish over here right now. That part, the next one I'm making. You see the starting. I hope you like. If you like, please thumbs up, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Bye.